Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a sunburst chart on your Microsoft Excel mobile app. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So in this video, I'm just going to show how to insert a sunburst chart on your Microsoft Excel. So first, I just choosing the data, then click on the arrow section, just going inside the insert and to the chart, and just swiping down, and you can find option called sunburst. Click on this. So here you can find only one theme. Just click on this. I show how to customize the full theme set. So first I just going to resize this and just place it wherever I just need it. Now you can just click on this layout option, so you can find different type of layout. You can see a lot of layouts here. Then in the color option, you can just change the color style. For an example, blue color, or if you just need a green color. And then you will see an option called style. Click on the style option. So here you can find a different type of styles option show like this. You can see they have some shade like this, and also swipe down, you can find a more options. So like this, some gradient background colors, or a darker theme, or you can just choose this. So you can just resize the chart, and you can just keep, and you can just select whichever you just needed. This is how you just insert a sunburst chart on your Microsoft Excel mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.